know, slow mo something. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. This is so beautiful, Mr. Dragonfly. The kids, daddy? And it do look clean and clear. Oh, let me come over there too. I got swim shoes on. Oh, daddy. It's so peaceful back there. Look. Oh, daddy, this is so peaceful. Don't you get your shoes messed up. Back up. Like a parent, right? Oh, daddy. Oh, I gotta do something about that because I almost fell into that. A tadpole on your wrist. Oh, daddy. You wanna walk back?
Definitely be right.
Yeah, oh, damn, you can't get over there. In no shape, form, or fashion can you get over there, but I could. I could. But Mr. Drip can't. Oh, shit. What in the hell was this? You better not put. Oh, look at this. This is peaceful right here. So if the kids